We designed and built a 3D printed and affordable confocal laser scanning microscope. Traditional confocal laser scanning microscopes go for tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. We built it with $800. The resolution of the system is comparable of that to commercial microscopes. The only downfall and limitation of our system is we run at a very, very slow speed compared to those systems. They can get those images in seconds, maybe a minute at max. Ours takes minutes to hours. But it's affordable and it's available for use in an open source platform, so any researchers who want to build it or utilize it, if they may not have the funding, can do so.
Our project is called Skin Lumina, and it is a multispectral imaging system. So basically current dermatological settings, they use a template skin tone that for all patients, and it leads to misrepresentation and underdiagnosis in like people with darker skin tones. So basically what we're trying to do is use a 2-scan imaging process in order to have a customized system that changes the LEDs based off of the person's skin tone, allowing for better accuracy in imaging.
So our project is a mixture of DDR. It's like a dance rhythm game, but with 9 panels instead of their traditional 4. In addition to that, we have a camera that watches you and it tracks your pose. So while you're playing the game, you're gonna be stepping on some arrows like this, and then it's gonna tell you to do a pose, like point up or do this or do this, something like that.
So what my project was is essentially a desktop printer for Braille. Instead of printing normal words, it prints Braille. I'm really proud of this project because it really brought together a lot of different disciplines that I hadn't had a lot of experience with, and I got to also flex my muscles in the part that I know a lot about.